Tips for making money online with affiliate marketing. Focus on quality content. Focus on quality content. Content is indeed king in the world of affiliate marketing. To truly stand out and succeed, it is essential to prioritize the creation of high-quality, valuable, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Whether you are producing blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media content, it is crucial to ensure that your content provides genuine value and effectively addresses the needs and pain points of your audience. Here are some key aspects to consider when focusing on quality content. Thoroughly research your audience. Take the time to understand your target audience deeply. Conduct thorough research to identify their demographics, interests, preferences, and challenges. By understanding your audience's needs and desires, you can tailor your content to provide the information, solutions, and inspiration they seek. Provide valuable and actionable information. Aim to create content that offers real value to your audience. Provide insights, tips, and actionable advice that they can implement in their lives or businesses. The more practical and helpful your content is, the more likely it is to be shared, engaged with, and trusted by your audience. Be authentic and genuine. Authenticity is key in building trust and rapport with your audience. Share your own experiences, stories, and expertise in a genuine and relatable manner. People connect with real and authentic content, so don't be afraid to show your personality and let your passion shine through. Use engaging formats. Experiment with various content formats to keep your audience engaged. Incorporate visuals, such as images, infographics, or videos, to enhance the visual appeal and shareability of your content. Consider using storytelling techniques to captivate your audience and make your content more memorable. Optimize for SEO. While creating quality content, it's important to optimize it for search engines. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally throughout your content. This will improve your visibility in search engine results and increase organic traffic to your affiliate marketing content. Maintain consistency. Consistency is crucial in building a loyal audience. Develop a content creation schedule and stick to it. Whether you choose to publish content weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, ensure that you consistently deliver valuable content to your audience. Regularly engaging with your audience through fresh content will help you establish credibility and maintain their interest over time. Encourage engagement and feedback. Actively encourage your audience to engage with your content by asking questions, inviting comments, and responding to their feedback. Foster a sense of community by creating opportunities for discussion and interaction. This not only strengthens the bond between you and your audience, but also provides valuable insights into their needs and preferences. Continuously improve and evolve. Monitor the performance of your content and analyze the feedback and data you receive. Use this information to identify what works well and what can be improved. Adapt your content strategy accordingly, staying up to date with the latest trends and emerging topics in your niche. Remember, quality content is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing business. By consistently delivering valuable and engaging content that truly serves your audience, you can build trust, credibility, and a loyal following. Always strive to go above and beyond in delivering value, and you will reap the rewards of a thriving affiliate marketing venture. Thanks for watching.